Hello Oak Ridge Seniors, this is Mrs. Martin, your librarian. This video is going to talk about how to search our library catalog for a science fiction book, and it's also going to give you some science fiction recommendations. What I'm going to be doing on Monday the 24th between 1 and 3 is providing you with books that you're going to check out or put on hold in our library catalog. So even though the library isn't open, you can't browse our science fiction shelves, there is still a way for me to help you get books in your hand. So we're going to talk about the library catalog. You'll log in with your Google login, search for a book, click hold when you find one, and then again meet me in the bus circle in front of the library on Monday between 1 and 3. If for some reason you can't make that day or time, please email me and I'll try to work with you on another time. I am going to go to the library catalog now, and basically you just search for Oak Ridge, and then once you get to the home page you click library. These three icons are how you can search for books. So this one can be used if you know the exact title you're looking for, but I think most of you will just want the general search link right here. The thing I love about this catalog is the different genre icons. So you can start with science fiction and see if anything catches your eye. For some reason, the first few results are GN, which is graphic novel. You're not reading a graphic novel for this assignment, so one thing you can do is just scroll down until you do get to the SFs, which is science fiction. When you start finding books that interest you, pay attention if the book is out or in. You can only put a hold on a book that's available. Also pay attention to the format. So this is a paperback or hardcover book, and this is an ebook. You can definitely check out our ebooks. You just click open and you can start reading it on your device. Another way to sort these results is either most recent, showing the books I've recently purchased for our library, or most recently published. So 2019 is the newest date that's coming up. I'm going to do a search for Ender's Game to show you some other features within the catalog. So this one is in. Most books will give you a short description about the story. I would recommend getting a more detailed description through Amazon, Goodreads, or any other source. You can even Google the book, maybe go to the author's website. And some of these have been made into movies, so there's movie trailers, and then some publishing companies make book trailers as well. So whatever you need to do to explore this title more, it's probably a good idea before you put it on hold right away. There are some suggestions for this book off to the side. So it's saying if you liked Ender's Game, you might also like these books. If you're really not sure, even from the description, what it's about, I suggest you click Explore, and it will tell you the basics of the plot. So it's space warfare, has to do with military education, and it's in the science fiction genre. So let's say I'm interested, right? Really, before you start browsing, you should log in. I forgot to do that. So I'm going to log in now. Remember, it's your Google login without the @edu HD part. All right. So earlier, I did add this to my favorites list. So let's add a few more. You're exploring. Oh, I already added that one. Let's try Under Shadow. Okay, we're going to add this, and basically I'm just sort of creating a list for me to check out later. Because once you click hold, I automatically get an email and I have to start pulling these books. For some reason, it won't let you reverse this. It won't let you unhold it. So I suggest you research the books you're interested, and when you're really ready to make a final decision, that's when you click hold. So I've collected a few favorites. Here is where you can revisit those, here in favorites. So I have several science fiction books, and I can read the descriptions again and make a final decision. When you have a book ready, you'll see a message saying your hold is ready. So I'll go back and show you how that looks. So let's hold this one, and there's a little message down here that says it's ready for pickup, and then it will expire in about a week. So that's a basic overview of how to search our library catalog. Let me show you the recommendations I put together for you. So I like to think of selecting a book in the same ways I like to select TV shows and movies, and I think that helps a lot of people. So this presentation, I have 6 slides, may point you in the right direction if you're still unsure of what you're looking for. So the neat thing about science fiction is there are subgenres within it. So this first one I want to talk to you about is post-apocalypse. And these are all books we have in our library. You'll just want to search the titles to see if anyone's already put them on hold. So in this genre, the books involve a world-changing event, such as a natural disaster, nuclear war, or a plague. The next subgenre is dystopian romance. So you may be familiar with dystopian. Think Hunger Games. These are stories about political repression and police states in which the population has limited freedoms. These books on the slide are unique because they involve relationships among characters. So they have that romance element. So if you're drawn to romance movies, you might want to pick out a science fiction romance book. Alien invasions. So these books have human-alien encounters. Imagine an alien enemy that is trying to eliminate the human race. Horror. These stories are a combination of 2 genres, and they have science and technology, but also include a fear factor. Cyberpunk. These books explore humanity's relationship with computer systems. So they have advanced technology, but also social decline as their common themes. And then lastly, military. So these stories involve wars, battles, and military conflicts, and the characters are often members of the military that work together to protect their society. So again, think about what your interests are, what you're drawn to for video games, movies, TV shows, or what books you like. And that might help you pick the perfect science fiction book. If you need recommendations, I'm always here. Please email me and I'd be happy to give you more ideas to choose from. All right, guys, hopefully I'll see you on Monday at the bus circle for curbside pickup.